Hi, just another quick video about the tabs section here. So you can see that on the normal message feed, it just kind of goes on and on and on with all of the posting that is happening. And if you click on one of the tabs, or if you select it on your phone, it will come just specifically to that thread. Okay, so let's call each and every one of these a thread. 1, 2, this community guidelines is really just a placeholder. General discussion thread, a meetups thread where you can see I put 2 days ago, open session in 2 hours, third conscious educator gathering 13 days ago. Celebrations tab goes here. This is so cool that Dr. Nicolene put up. Check this out. This is so cool. This is Naga. We're taking care of Naga from some friends here. Look how cool that photo is. So just cool things you can share, right? Makes you smile, makes you happy, makes you feel close. And ideas and suggestions is a big one. Any ideas, any suggestions that you have, please put them here, because that will help build the architecture for this community. And these categories, or these threads, these tabs, can change, or they can be added to. So if you have an idea to add a thread or a suggestion, put it there and I can add other things. Now I talked to Javier, I've mentioned him a few times now. I talked to Javier up in Barcelona about putting a Spanish thread. And I know that we have other languages here too, maybe a Bahasa Indonesia thread, maybe a Portuguese thread. So if that's something that you want, I can put it up there, but obviously I need to be able to hear from you first, and then we can co-create this architecture so it's more user-friendly for you. So I've just set the foundations, and those foundations can be built upon horizontally, vertically, and diagonally, and every which way. Okay, hope that helps a little bit more.